Morning everyone, this is Xiaofang Wang. Today I'm going to introduce development strategy. It is a part of the second phase of SDLC, System Development Life Cycle. Before we go deeper inside to development strategies, let's figure out what is system analysis and design and what is information system. System analysis and design is a technology in develop high-quality information system by transferring data into useful information to achieve a business's current mission and prepare for future actions. Information system is a system of combined hardware and software that used by related people to collect, filter, process, and allocate data. System analysis and design is a step-by-step process for developing high-quality information system. The five components of information technology are hardware, like computer and printer, software, like system software, data that transferred from useful information, process that describe the task and business function performed to achieve specific result. People like system analyze and users. Analyze are involved in all phases of the system analysis and design process as a translator. They are professionals who specialize in analyzing, design, and implementing information systems. Also, they train and motivate others to use the system. To perform all the tasks, they need knowledge, skills, and education. When requirements modeling, data and process modeling, and object-oriented modeling are done, we now step into development strategy. It is a part of the system design, which is in the second phase of SDLC. Turn on page 257 if you have any problem with my accent. What is system analysis? It is the approach to state development options and the preparation for the transition to system design phase. In order to find the best development pace, firms can develop software itself, purchase software package, or cooperate with other firms that can offer solutions, and so on. Firms need to consider three key points in this process: the impact of the Internet, software outsourcing options, and in-house software development alternative. With the impact of the Internet, we play Pokemon Go. We do not need to wait for the paper mail for a long time. Also, it brings changes in software acquisition, such as SaaS. It is software as a service. It is an application as service provided customer over the Internet. It reduces the customer need for software maintenance, operation, and support. As you can see here, we can compare the traditional and web-based system development. For the traditional development, it is affected by network limitation and constraints. It is influenced by the hardware and software platform and legacy system requirements. It is a product and communication channel. But web-based development, it is not only a communication channel, it is also a platform and a service. And it's less dependent on desktop computing power and resource. They are both used for communication. They are both based on use hardware and software. Then outsourcing. What is outsourcing? It is the transfer of information system development, operation, or maintenance to an outside firm that provides this service for a fee on a temporary or long-term basis. Two options are application service provider and internet business service. It's growing from a way of controlling costs and dealing with rapid technological change to part of an overall IT strategy than to affecting software vendor. Also, offshore outsourcing. It is global outsourcing. It is the practice of shifting IT development, support, and operation to other countries. The next is in-house software development options. You make or buy. If you are the owner of or manager of the business, would you rather make or buy a system service? Just like cooking at home or place an order in a restaurant. When you make your own food at home, it satisfies your own needs, your taste. You use the existing technology and system to make your own food. Mostly, you would develop your capacity of cooking skills. But if you buy from outsider, it saves your time and implements. For in-house software development, the provider has more reliability and performance benchmark due to their professional skills. You do not need to hire technical development staff and can get upgrades that provided by the vendor. According to your unique situation, you need to choose either buy or make to maximize the firm's profit at lower risk and cost. In the other side, as a system analyst, you need to work as an evaluation and selection team. The role you play are a study of the cost and benefit of each alternatives, eliminate system alternatives that will not meet the requirements, rank the alternatives that are feasible, present the variable alternative to management for a final decision, so that system analysts need to step 1, evaluate the information system requirements, identify potential vendor or outsourcing, evaluate alternatives. Step 4, perform cost-benefit analysis. Step 5, prepare a recommendation. Step 6, implement the solutions. To complete the system analysis task, system analysts need to prepare a system requirement document. It should contain the requirements for the new system, describe the alternatives that were considered, and make a specific recommendation to management. It is the starting point of measuring the performance, accuracy, and completeness of finishing the system before entering the system design phase, and then present it to both principal individual to IT department and users to answer their questions and invite feedback. The report should contain the project name, the background, alternatives, and the recommendation. This is a view of development strategy. Its main purpose is to understand the alternatives and their strengths and weaknesses through analysis. The 3 key items liked in the chapter is the 3 involving tendency under the impact of the Internet, Web 2, cloud computing, and mobile device. They applied in everywhere in my life. Web 2 enabled people to collaborate, interact, and share information much more effectively. Cloud computing offers the service that access through internet connection And we use both mobile devices like smartphones, laptop, and tablets to communicate better. Thank you for your patience. Hope this would help you get a deeper understanding of SDLC. Thank you. Have a good day.